So how do you remove background noise from audio or video on your Android phone? Let's get into it. So you have more options in this department. I would recommend you to get the CapCut application because this one is pretty useful and it is essentially a video editor. I mean, it is a video editor, but you can also just export audio only, so that's cool. But if you just start a new project and bring in your clips, you can select it, and at the bottom, you can horizontally scroll through many different editing options. At first, you can locate the volume and just lower the volume down entirely. So right now, you are basically deleting every form of audio attached to that clip. But it goes deeper than that because you have some other options. For example, you have the enhance voice option, which means that it is going to scan the video for the voice and make it more prominent, right? So the background music and the noise will be reduced and it will be focused on your voice. But if you want to completely remove it, you can click on the isolate voice, and this gives you the option to either keep the voice or remove the voice. And as you can see, it is part of the Pro subscription, so you might be interested in that. So you can't really get it for free, but this feature is going to allow you to literally just keep the voice from the video if you speak over it and get rid of the background noise and background music completely. So I would recommend you to take a look at that. But outside of this, we obviously have many different apps available on the Play Store, which allow you to, have like a music lab, which is going to remove the voice or the background, and so many options to pick from. So go ahead and explore those apps as well. So perhaps you will find something a bit more useful. But if these are my tips, let me know below in the comments if you managed to do what you wanted. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.